Um,
I love the liberal argument. This is stolen land. This is stolen land. One, there was only 13 out of 50 states that we conquered and formed America. We didn't start out with 50 states. The other states, we either bought from another country or they integrated into our country when we freed their people. Most of America we didn't even conquer from Indians. Oh, and by the way, when we conquered those 13 states, they were already fighting a civil war trying to steal it from each other from different tribes. We just came in and took advantage. When is enough enough? When are Republicans gonna grow a pair of balls? Stop being so damn spineless and go to war with these people. 6 attempts on Trump's life, 4 already during his second term, and we're not even halfway done yet. 2 on his first term. They killed Charlie Kirk. They keep having riots. They're funding racism while calling us racist. They keep burning down cities, having riots. When is enough enough? Like, are we just gonna continue being spineless, weak cowards? Because we can talk our crap about Democrats all day long, but what are we doing? While they're out there protesting and rioting, what do? We talk shit online and we don't do anything back in return. And for what? For fear of the law? They can't stop all of us. Construction workers should never be paid by the hour. It incentivizes them to be lazy and take their time. That's why you see construction workers working on the same road for a year, year and a half to 2 years max. Because they sit on their ass and they milk those jobs for every penny they can. If they got paid by the quality of the work and by the job, I guarantee you they would get done a lot quicker and the quality of the work would be so much better. They wouldn't constantly be doing patch jobs and fuck with your suspension on your vehicles. There's no way you can convince me that God is not real. I have severe health issues that put my life at risk every single day. To the point where doctors told me when I was growing up, I would not live to be 21 years old. I literally died for 5 minutes on the way to the hospital and woke up with 20 nurses surrounding me. You cannot convince me that God does not exist. I have been addicted to almost every drug out there, but I have been clean for 10 years. You cannot convince me God is not real. I have been told my whole life that I would never make it to be 30, and here I am. God is real.
anyway, that reminds me. Kids, don't do drugs.